Thinking about managing your own Kauai vacation rental? Sounds rewarding, but is it worth the time and the effort, or should you just leave it to the pros? I've had a vacation rental here on Kauai, and I've done both direct renting and I had a property manager. When you hire a company to manage your vacation rental, they take care of everything for a percentage of the nightly rental, which is usually around 25 to 30%. Managing a vacation rental is a hands-on job that requires balancing many responsibilities like marketing the property, communicating with guests, coordinating cleanings, and handling maintenance issues as they arise. If you're not living on Kauai, even small problems like a leaky faucet can quickly escalate without someone local to address them. It's important to consider whether you have the time and bandwidth to manage these tasks remotely, or if they're going to interfere with other priorities in your life. Hawaii law mandates that out-of-state owners of vacation rentals have an on-island representative or property manager who can respond to their issues within 24 hours, and this requirement is not optional. Compliance is crucial to avoid fines. Managing a property remotely without meeting these legal standards could jeopardize your business. A property manager not only ensures you stay compliant, but also offers peace of mind by addressing guest and property issues in real time. By renting your property yourself, you keep that extra 25 to 30%, which is a significant amount of money. If you feel you can handle the property remotely and comply with the laws, this could work for you. Plenty of people direct rent their properties, and the ones that are successful devote the time needed, learn the necessary skills, and comply with state laws. It's not easy, but you can learn relatively quickly, and implementing a good system and having some templates to work with makes things easier. For more videos like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to whatever channel that you're watching this on. Aloha.